To install ProCAM, go to the Zippy Robotics website, zippyrobotics.com. At the top, you'll see a download link. We'll go there. That'll take you to this page. And at the bottom, you'll see that you can download ProCAM 0.1 alpha. We'll click that, and we will download the file. And Google Chrome might tell you that this is not a commonly downloaded file and it might be dangerous. So we don't want to discard it. We want to keep the file. This might be because I just uploaded it yet last night, and maybe it needs to have a few people download it. I don't know how Google handles that. But anyway, so we kept that file, and now we can go to the download folder over here. And here's the file. This one says 1 because I tried this out earlier. But anyway, we'll right click it and we will extract all. So extract. Okay, and so now we have our unzipped file. And if you go inside this folder, you'll see that there's a README here. These are the steps that you have to follow in order to install this correctly. It's 5 steps. It's not very complicated. The important thing is that you take the folder that contains the README, the file that we're looking at, which is this Zippy Robotics folder, and we're going to move it to this path, C program files x86. And then once it's there, we're going to double click the installer, the executable that's inside. And that's really it. Then we just want to make sure that we don't delete the installer in there or anything else in that folder. So let's go do that. So we will copy this folder. Then we're going to go to C, program files x86, and I'm just going to right click off the side here and say paste. Okay, now I have Zippy Robotics there. I double click it, here's the file, this is what you should see. So now we just double click the installer. And you'll see this page. Just click install. And then it'll automatically launch ProCAM for you, which is right here. Then if you want, you can test the shortcut out. So we'll close that. We will minimize this. You see there's a shortcut that it put here. So we're going to just click that and it launches. That's it. You're ready to go.